Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing a protein treatment. And we're not just going to be doing any protein treatment, we're going to be doing the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys all of the items I'm going to be using today for my hair, and then we're going to get right into the video where I explain step by step of what I do, how I apply it, what to do and not to do when applying this product, and the application. So first I'm going to start by pouring it into a spray bottle. I feel like this better helps to spread the product out throughout your hair. Like, it just helps like disperse it, I guess I should say. This is just really gonna help get it evenly. The bottle is just poor. Like, it's really, if you want to try to do it with the bottle, you can, but it's gonna be everywhere, I promise you. I've done it before, and I'm so glad I learned this hack from just watching other people use this product. So I did start by wetting my hair a little bit. It does say to start on freshly washed hair, so make sure you wash your hair before using this product or it will not work. I've done it before. Make sure your hair is clean. I'm talking about clarifying shampoo. And you kind of want, once you spray the one step, once you do that, you want to make sure that it bubbles up. If you know, like, you kind of hear it as you're brushing it through, once you spray it, you want to see like those bubbles and like this kind of like white cast forming on your hair. That means that the protein is activated and it's working. So you want to make sure that that's what's happening. If you do not see that, you might have to add more, but make sure you're doing it in a timely manner. Don't just wait for it, because this stuff will get very, very hard and very, very sticky. So you want to make sure while your hair is still wet and the product is still fully saturated that you comb it through or you brush it through. But once it's dry, keep your hands off of your hair or you will regret it. And just like I said before, you really want to make sure it gets distributed evenly through your hair, because you want to see that white foam kind of start to appear on your hair. That means when you brush or comb it, that it's evenly distributed in your hair, so that you know that, you can move on. I even had to go back in and reapply it while it was still wet, just to make sure I got that white foam onto my hair, so that once it's dry, I know that the protein is in every strand in that section. And also, keep this as far away from your face as possible when you're spraying the product. It can be very strong, and if it gets anywhere like your mouth or your nose or your eyes, it's gonna taste horrible and it's going to sting. But if you would just wipe it out or wash it out with some water, you'll be fine. But it's better to avoid that. Oh, and please do not put this too close to your scalp. Your scalp will feel like a burning sensation a little bit, not to where it's alarming or bad, but you're gonna feel some type of sensation that isn't good. It tells you on the bottle to stay away from your scalp, so try very, very hard to keep this at least like an inch or two from your scalp. You just want to focus on the mid to ends of your hair. You don't want to go too close to your scalp because it can cause irritation. Like you can see in the video where my hair is like where I applied it wet, and you can see how far I sprayed it away from my scalp. That's kind of where you want to go. You don't want to get it too close. You want to make sure that it's very, very far away from your skin and very, very far away from your scalp. so you don't end up having that irritation episode. Now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm just gonna put it on the coolest setting. It does say if you have a hooded dryer, you can use it too. I also have a hooded dryer and I do use it sometimes, well, most of the time. But for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you guys, you know, what I would do if I only had a handheld dryer. But if you do have a hooded dryer, you can put it on low heat and just sit under there until it's completely dry. You'll feel it. It's gonna be very, very crunchy and it's gonna be very, very hard. And make sure you don't do anything to your hair in that time frame. Don't play in it, don't run your hands through it, don't separate it, don't comb it. And I'm sorry for this scene. I didn't think that I was so far away from the camera. I wasn't even in the center, but I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks dry. It's very stiff. I don't have any movement or body to it at all. And that's kind of what you want. So keep it in for about, I keep mine in for about like 30 minutes and then I'll wash it out. So these are the results after I washed all the protein treatment out of my hair. And as you can see, my hair has some volume back. It has so much curl definition. This is why I love this product, because it gives me everything that my hair was lacking before. And it just instantly just gets like a breath of fresh air with this product. That's why I love using it so much. Now I'm going to take the conditioner and I'm just going to run it through every section of my hair just to make sure I get that moisture back that the protein kind of stripped from my hair. See, it helps build the bonds back so your hair isn't prone to any breakage or that popping or fairy knots and things like that. So you can use like a very hydrating deep conditioner to do the same thing, but I just prefer using the conditioner because I just feel like it helps to not redo, but it helps to like fix what the protein kind of took away to strengthen your hair strands. I just see a big difference from me using the conditioner than me using just a regular hair mask. I mean, you can, but I would just rather you stick to the duo that comes together, because I get them together, but you can get them separate. But if you want better results, just stick with getting the one-step protein treatment and the conditioner. So after applying the conditioner throughout my entire head, I just go in with my detangling brush and I make sure that I get it evenly distributed throughout my hair. And then I'll go in with the shower cap and I'll keep it on for about maybe 20 or 30 minutes. The bottle says like 5 to 10 minutes, but I try to get as much moisture out of it as I can. I would even like warm it up a little in the microwave and then I'd put it on my hair, just probably like 30 seconds, and it'll help give you that extra penetration that you need. And here are the final results with curl cream, gel, and leave-in. And this is my hair styled. It just looks so much juicier and bouncier and healthier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!